So located in the center of Munich is the Marienplatz, or Mary Square. It has been the city's main square since 1158. Assemkirche, or Assam Church, is a Baroque church that was built from 1733 to 1746 by two brothers. It is considered one of the best examples of Southern German late Baroque. A food market and square in the center of Munich, the Viktualienmarkt, has been a daily meeting place, well, except for Sundays and holidays, for vendors since 1807. The Hirschgarten is the world's largest beer garden. It seats over 8,000 people. It was originally opened in 1791. You can get fantastic food. I love the Bavarian pretzels and beer. Opened in 1675, Nymphenburg Palace is a beautiful Baroque palace. It is considered one of the most stunning palaces in all of Europe. With a population of almost 1.6 million people, Munich is a bustling city that is definitely the place to visit. I have thoroughly enjoyed its rich history, its food, and its people. Its public transportation system is phenomenal. So if you're ever in Germany, make sure you stop in to see Munich. If you've enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit those like and subscribe buttons down below. And while you're there, definitely leave a comment or some feedback. I always appreciate them. So listen, until next time, signing off from the Nymphenburg Palace in Munich. Stay safe, stay well, and you already know it. Salzen bleiben. Yeah.